Put on now, okay.
Okay, there's not much of water in there. A lot less than I thought. So there. That's still pretty heavy. I think what's going on is the water is stuck on the other side of the bladder, Dave.
Yes.
And the bladder's plugging it up. So we've got that done. So we still got some water in this. That's because the plastic bladder inside, the water's on the opposite side of it. That guy out. Is it leaking now? No. No, the water's on the other side of the bladder.
Yeah, okay, Bruce, I'm gonna pause this for a second.
Yeah.